Hi, welcome to Cyber Secure channel. In today's video, we will cover service account, which is a way to provide an identity for a process that runs in the pod. The service account is a non-human account configured through Kubernetes. Unlike user account, it provides identity for process that run in the pod and is namespace bound. Every Kubernetes namespace contains at least one service account, which is the default service account for that particular namespace. If you do not specify a service account when you create a pod, Kubernetes automatically assigns the service account name default in that namespace. In order to use service account, we first create it through kubectl command line. Then we grant permission to the account through role-based access control. And in the end, we assign particular service account to the pod. By default, API credentials of service account are mounted when it is initiated in the pod. You can opt out this default behavior by disabling token mounting through automountServiceAccountToken false. In demo, we will follow all the steps as defined earlier. First, we will create the namespace app. Then we will create a service account smoke in the particular namespace. Then defining the service account in the pod by first using the imperative command to get the YAML file, and then editing the YAML file to define the service account name. Defining the service account name that we just created, that is smoke. Now using declarative command to create the pod. The pod has been created. Now let us check the default auto mount behavior of the service account and check whether the API credentials and the tokens are auto mounted or not. As we can see in the configuration, the service account has been mounted and the API credentials and the token are also mounted. Now we will change the default behavior by using the command automountServiceAccountToken is equal to false. Now again creating the pod. Now checking the newly created pod. Now as we can see that service account has been mounted, but the token or the credentials are not mounted as it was in the default behavior. The same condition can be achieved through service account declaration file as well. Now editing the service account. Here we can also use the automountServiceAccountToken false statement. And the same behavior can be achieved through service account declaration. Now again we recheck the configuration, and as we can see that we have implemented the automountServiceAccountToken false through service account. Now in today's video we learned about the service account and its usage in Kubernetes. Further, we changed the default auto mounting behavior of the service account credential, and we successfully demonstrated the behavior that we have achieved. I hope you found this video useful. Please subscribe to remain updated with upcoming videos, and thank you for watching.